Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad, and today we're visiting the Finger Lakes Live Steamers for their 2025 Public Run Day. And one of the first things that caught my eye was this beautiful Pennsy H10 Consolidation, built by Wayne Godshall. The guy on the left, he's the guy that owns it. His father used to run one of these on the Long Island Railroad. The guy that's running the H10 Consolidation, he's a former Black River and Western, Delaware and Hudson, and Canadian Pacific engineer.
Okay, Hank. Up. Keep going. More? You got a little. That's good. You gotta grind that freaking thing
Now they're going to go connect onto their train and go haul the public around the track.
Oh, I got it.
Notice the proper use of East Coast Railway hand signals. He's telling the engineer to back up. Meanwhile, up on the 4 3/4-inch gauge line, a New York Central RS3 rolls by. 2 short blasts of the whistle, and the H10 is ready to go forward. Now, on public run days, the track is a one-way track, so they're going to take almost a complete full loop around the track before they load up with passengers. Love to watch those drivers going. H10s are beautiful engines. Now, this diesel outline engine coming around the curve is a railroad supply GB40 built in the mid-1980s. Well, I'm done watching everybody else having fun. It's time to go out and enjoy the track myself. I'll take you along with me. This is the Finger Lakes Live Steamers track. Somewhere around Marengo, New York, Clyde, New York, something like that. Somebody will correct me down in the comments, I'm sure. The building directly in front of the locomotive right now is a new car barn storage facility that some of the members are putting up. You'll also notice some of these bridges have been freshly painted. I've never seen that at any other club, that they paint their bridges like that. That's a nice touch. Now you see all the crowds up in front of us. That's where the station area is. There's a footpath crossing, and 70 doesn't have a horn still, so I didn't blow for the crossing. But that canopy right there, that's the station where they're loading all the trains. Coming around the curve, here's the first signal, and this begins signal territory on the Finger Lakes Live Steamers layout. Now, in case you're wondering why we're going so fast, the 70's top speed is 6 miles per hour. And that's lower than the top speed for the club track. So we're going absolutely full throttle through here. That's a verified speed, by the way. This white piece of paper up here on the right, that's a sign that says end of signal territory, because not all of the Finger Lakes Live Steamers layout is signaled. As we hit this bridge here, that's the end of dark territory and the beginning of signal territory again. That signal up ahead on the bridge, that's for us. This covered bridge up here is not completely structural. What's structural is the steel bridge underneath it. Still looks good though, I like it. And there's a little twisty in here just to keep things interesting. And here's the station where they load all the passengers. Now the beauty of video is you can stitch different runs together, and that's exactly what I did here. I'm on the station bypass track now. And now I head for the yard tracks because it's time to load up. Well, before we load up, let's wait for a couple of trains to go by first. Alright, now all the traffic's gone by. We have clearance across the diamond. We can head towards the loading area. I want to thank you for riding along with me here on the Finger Lakes Live Steamers track. Something we do a few times a year, ride on different tracks. If you did enjoy this content, hit the like button, share, maybe subscribe if you think we deserve it. And if you would like to help support this kind of content, paid members on Patreon get early access and some exclusive content. Patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad. Thanks for riding with me today. We'll catch you in the next video.